Now I will explain you Net Profiter Restaurant's credit payments module. This is credit payments module. Here you can see all these sub-modules. Okay, I will explain you all these sub-modules one by one. This is all receivables. Here you can see from which customer you want to receive the credit amount. Okay, you can search the customer here. Okay, you can search the customer by date by filtering the date, and you can send the payment notification to the customer via SMS and email also. Here you can select the customer by cross due date and near due date also. Here you will get the customer name, sales total, total pending amount, near due amount, cross due amount, and sale history also. In sale history, when you click on details, you will get a credit details information where you can see the sale ID, pending amount, and details also. In details, when you click on view receipt, you will get the receipt of that sale and that credit amount also. This is how you can see the from which customer you want to receive the credit amount. All payables. Here in all payables, you can see from which supplier you have purchased items on credit. And here the supplier name will be given, purchase total amount will be given, and total pending amount will be shown. Near due amount will be shown, cross due amount, and purchase history also will be shown. Here in search bar, you can search the supplier name, okay, or else you can filter the date, or you can search that month suppliers from whom you have taken the credit amount, and you can send the payment notification to the supplier via SMS or email also. Or else you can filter cross due date and near due date also, and you can see that supplier. In purchase history, in details, here you will get the credit details where you can see the purchase ID, pending amount, and details also. In details, when you click on view receipt, where in purchase receipt, you will get the receipt from which customer you have purchased how many items and what is the amount pending you need to pay for that supplier. Next is receive customer credits. If you want to receive customer credits from the customer which have taken the items from your store on the credit basis, you can receive that amount from here. Okay. Here you need to select that customer who have to pay credit amount to you. Okay. I will select Akash. He need to pay 1,700 for me. In customer payment view, you will get sale date, sale on credit amount, and pending amount what he should pay to you, and view invoice. In view invoice you will get the invoice of that sale, and here you can see the customer name, total amount due, sale transaction on credit, sale transaction method also you can see that. When you click on proceed for payment, it will take you to the payment transaction method where you can see the date, total amount, and pending amount also. And here you need to add the amount, how much amount he should be add. Here you can select the payment method, by which payment method the customer want to pay you the amount. Okay, when you select the payment type, when you click on pay, and it will be added here. And in bill details you can see the customer name. Okay, and this is the receipt. If you enable this after checkout, you will get a pop-up from where you can save that receipt into your system, and this is the amount will be shown here, and you need to write the comment about this credit payment. And when you click on checkout, the payment will be accepted by you. And here you can see in all receivable that customer which have taken the credit amount will be disappear had she had paid the credit amount which he has to give to you. Like that, pay supplier credits. If you have purchased any items from the supplier on credit basis and you need to pay the amount, you can select that supplier here. On supplier payment view, you can see the supplier name, total amount due, okay, purchase transaction on credit. Here you can see the purchase date, purchase credit amount, pending amount is how much you can see. And when you click on view invoice, you can see the invoice also of that purchase. For payment for that supplier, you need to click on proceed for payment. You will get the credit transaction where you can see the on the left side, you can see the date, total amount, pending amount. And in payment details, you can see the bill total, amount due. Okay. You can select the payment type also, from which payment type you want to pay the amount to the supplier. and after adding the amount and selecting the payment type, when you click on pay, it will be added in bill details. Here you can see the supplier name. Okay, if you enable this, you will get a pop-up after checkout from where you can save that invoice into your system. Here in comment, you need to write the comment about this payment. Once the payment is been added, when you click on checkout, you will get a credit receipt where you can see the details of this credit amount paid to the supplier. This is how you can use credit payment methods where you can see all receivable credit amount and all payable credit amount.